I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've ever faced a payment failure while trying to buy a game on Steam, you know how frustrating it can be. Here is how to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your payment method. Make sure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes, expired cards or insufficient balance can cause issues. Step 2. Update billing information. Go to your account settings and ensure that your billing address matches the one associated with your payment method. Mismatched addresses can lead to payment failures. Step 3. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. Steam may block transactions if it detects unusual activity from different locations. Step 4. Clear Steam cache. Clearing the Steam cache can resolve temporary issues. Go to the Steam client, click on Steam in the top left, then Settings, and find the option to clear the cache. Step 5. Contact Steam support. If all else fails, reach out to Steam support for assistance. Provide them with details about your payment method and the error message you received. Hopefully, these steps help you get back to gaming without any hiccups. Don't let payment issues hold you back from enjoying your favorite titles.